How to use Uniswap DeX easy tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on Uniswap, how you can swap, earn and build on the leading decentralized crypto trading protocol. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up uniswap.org and you will land right here on this platform. Uniswap is a decentralized crypto trading protocol that will allow you to swap, earn, and build. So once you get to Uniswap, you have to click on Launch App. And here we are on our Uniswap. So the first step is going to be connecting our wallet. So you need to click on this connect option given. We can connect our MetaMask, Coinbase wallet, or Wallet Connect. So I'm going to connect my MetaMask. You can see my MetaMask has been connected. So you will just connect your wallet. If you do not have a crypto wallet as a complete beginner, then you can get a MetaMask by just going to metamask.io and add the extension, create a wallet, and you will get a wallet. So now we have our wallet connected. We can get started. We can swap tokens on Uniswap. Then we have our tokens and pools available where we will be able to add the liquidity. I'll show you all of the options one by one. Before we begin, I just want to clarify that this video is not a financial advice and I'm not a financial advisor. Trading in crypto and adding liquidity involves a high degree of risk, or whether you prefer to lose money or not. So make sure that you understand everything and then you can get started. This is a tutorial for you and this is about Uniswap. That being said, let's continue. First of all, we have the swap options. So in swap, you have to select the token you want to swap from. So you'll just click on select token. So you will select the token right here. One more thing, before we connect a wallet, make sure you have the supported networks: Ethereum, Polygon, Optimism, Arbitrum, and Telos. So these are the supported networks on Uniswap. It does not support BNB and some other networks. So we have Ethereum right here and we have selected our first token. It's going to be Ethereum. We have all of the other tokens available on Uniswap, such as the USDT, we have AVI, we have Alchemic, we have Ash, and then many others. So you will just, select it from here. Moving on, we have the other one, which is going to be the token we will be converting our Ethereum into. So I'm going to select USDT. You will enter the amount here. Let's say that I have one Ethereum that I want to swap to USDT. So it will just fetch the best prices for me. So I will be getting 1500 USDT. One USDT is equal to 0.00065 Ethereum. Keep in mind, these values are at the time of making this video, so they may vary when you are checking it out. One Ethereum right now at the time of making this video is $1,500. So there is not a much difference between USD, like our simple currency, and USDT. So there is just like 0.05% cut here, and this is going to be our auto router, and you can see right here some of the information. So once you have added the amount here, just click on swap and you will be able to do so if you have the funds in your wallet. I do not have any funds in my wallet right now, so that's why it says this, but you will just enter the amount. Similarly, let me give you another example quickly. Now what I will be doing is I will be converting my WBTC into Ethereum. So for that, we have selected right here and we have one WBTC and we will be getting 13 Ethereum. And this is going to be round about $20,000, and one WBTC is equal to $20,000 right now at the time of making this video. So the rates are actually pretty good and on Uniswap, and you will be able to get the most out of your tokens that you have. Click on swap and you will be able to do so. Let's move on to the tokens right here on Uniswap, top tokens on Uniswap. So we have our network right here, our blockchain, which is going to be Ethereum, and it will show me all of the different tokens that we can swap and we can actually add liquidity to on Ethereum. So here we have our Uniswap. You can see right here all of the different tokens are available: Ether, USD, Coin, Hex, Uniswap, Chainlink tokens. Then we have Funfair, Forex, and we have Binance USC, Ethereum Name, Quant, Chills. So all of the different tokens available. What you guys need to do is you will select the one you want to go for. I'm going to select Ether from here. Again, I'm not suggesting you to actually select any of the tokens, but I'm just showing you around. So we have this one right here. This is our graph, live price given. This is the swap option again that we kind of like checked right here. Scroll down a little bit to check some of these stats. TVL, 24-hour volume, 52-week low, 52-week high. This is going to be your balance in Ethereum. So you can see right here, this is our graph, and you can now swap with the token. So instead of directly going to the swap option, you can actually check out a token here first, check out the graph, get some information, and then you can swap. Moving on, we have the pool option. So we can create and add pools with Uniswap. Click on the add position right here, new position, add liquidity. Okay, so first we have to select a pair. For the pair, I'm again going with Ethereum. I'm just keeping it really simple for you guys. Select a token. So now we need to select a token again. What I'm going to do is I will be selecting USDC. Now we have our network and our token. So you can see it's going to be 0.3% fee higher. This is where you will be able to see your fee higher. 50% select. Now this is the current price range for the pair that I have selected. Here I have the minimum price and the maximum price USD per Ethereum because I selected Ethereum, and then for token I went for USDC. So you will similarly select your network and then select a token, and you will create a pair and add liquidity to it by getting all of the information right here. You can also click on full range and it will switch to full range right here. Now we need to deposit someone. So I will be depositing 1 Ethereum, which is going to be 1500 USDC. Just click right here on add liquidity and you will be able to add the liquidity right here. Again, you need funds in your wallet. That's it. That depends on your wallet. Whatever wallet you have, just add some funds there and then you can get started with Uniswap. Uniswap is actually a really easy protocol to use that allows us to swap tokens, that allows us to add liquidity. So it's a very basic platform and a very easy to use platform. That's what I really like about Uniswap. So you can see this is how you will add liquidity. We have clear all option that will actually get rid of all the information that you added. Then we have these settings. Click on the settings and you will be able to switch to the auto mode, and we have our slip page tolerance right here. You can add a transaction deadline. You can also add some of the interferences like auto router API and expert mode. So these are some of the settings that you can do for Uniswap if you want to make your swapping more easier on any of the networks that are available. For the networks, again, we have Ethereum, Polygon, Optimism, Arbitrum, and Trello. Other networks are not supported with Uniswap yet, but they might be in the future. So you can go ahead and check out uniswap.org. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you guys, and now you know how to use Uniswap DeX. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up or leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.